try to do this in less than 10 minutes. So I'll start with 2-3 tablespoons of oil. It's completely optional, but now we want to caramelize these onions. So I'm ensuring that the onions touch the base of the cooker. Any sausage you like, you want them to get a nice roasted effect. Ensure that they all touch the floor of the cooker. Potatoes have to get cooked. So we'll mash the onions and potatoes together. Okay, we are using this in potting pot to prevent the peas from losing their color. That's it. Okay, we are about to get the first whistle, I think. Yeah. So, I'm going to switch it off and switch off the timer. Now we just need to plate and serve. There you go, the peas look all bright and beautiful. Look at the color. They are greener than regular peas. Look at these. And they are nicely roasted. Look at them. We can. That is your 10-minute from scratch bangers and mash. You just add it on top of this. Look at that.